นะคะเพื่อนๆค่ะวันนี้เพิ่งจะมาทำอาหารกะเหรี่ยงนะคะแต่พ่อนะคะเดี๋ยวเพิ่งจะก่อนอื่นนะคะจะไปซื้ออาหารเครื่องปรุงต่างๆนะคะที่ตลาดก่อนนะคะโอเคไปกันเลยวันนี้ไม่รู้ว่าจะทำแต่พ่อที่ไหนแล้วเดี๋ยวค่ะพ่อคุณลีโดโอเคค่ะWhat's up guys? So today we are at the market. I'm gonna learn how to cook Korean food, you know, and it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna learn from Master Chef Nampung. วันนี้นะคะอุปกรณ์ก็พร้อมแล้วนะคะวันนี้นะคะเพื่อนๆค่ะเราจะมาทำข้าวเบอร์กันนะคะภาษากะเหรี่ยงเรียกว่าตาพอพ่อนะ Can you say ตาพอพ่อ We're gonna going to cook ตาพอพ่อตาพอพ่อ We're gonna going to cook ตาพอพ่อตาพอพ่อ Yeah ตาพอพ่อ Can you say again ตาพอพ่อใช่โอเคเดี๋ยวเราจะมาสอนเพื่อนๆนะคะโอเค I will let you cut the meat Okay
Meat?
Yeah And Sonia to Today, I'm gonna going to teach you guys Korean words some word.
Okay. You know, simple like I love you.
I love you. เจ๊แอนนาเจ๊แอนนา
เจ๊แอนนา
เยื่อแอนนาเยื่อแอนนาก็ได้เยื่อแอนนา
เยื่ออันนา
เยื่อแอนนา How about Philippines?
Mahal ko kayo.
Huh?
Mahal ko kayo.
Mahal ko kayo. Can
Do you want to know it in French?
Yeah.
French?
Je t'aime.
Huh?
Je t'aime.
Je t'aime.
Je t'aime.
Je t'aime.
Je t'aime.
Je
Je
t'aime.
t'aime. Come on.
Je t'aime.
Je t'aime.
How about Philippines? I forgot.
Philippine.
What was it?
Like there's two kinds I know. Two kinds of languages, right?
Easy
Tagalog is mahal ko kayo.
Mahal ko kayo.
And then in my tribe language, gihigugma kita.
Oh my
Wow.
God. Too long.
Eat.
You try. Gi, hi,
Eat.
gugma.
Gumma.
Come on.
Okay. Soul. Huh? Karen call soul. Soul. Yeah, soul. Yeah. And after that you can แล้วก็มาอ่อนแล้วก็มาผัดด้วยนะคะ Yes.
Your part, right?
What we gonna going to learn? Continue.
The next step. What is the next step, madam?
Oh, pork. Right. หมูนะคะ
Do everything.
How to call pork in Philippines?
Pork in Philippines is baboy.
Huh?
Baboy.
Baboy. We're going to learn
Good.
Wow.
how to call pork in Philippines again.
Baboy.
Baboy. Yes.
Amazing!
You know, before, right? Before we are current, we live in the jungle and you know, we don't have like a lot of food. That's why
McDonald's.
we don't have before like long time ago,
Yeah.
right? Even clothes they don't have, you know. Current, right? Before like my grandma, right? They just tell me a story when she's young, right? She don't have any clothes. She have only one clothes, you know. She have only one clothes, and you know the food is not enough for like
For
before,
everyone.
yeah, for everyone because before is they have lots of their family a lot. I have many like
Kids.
sister, many right? One family in about like some 12, a lot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, or sometimes the food is not enough for them, so they just put everything mixed together, right? Like this. Sometimes they put like you know vegetable with bamboo. Have you ever eaten bamboo?
Yes.
Bamboo or like corn, right? Before they use everything you know that can eat and put together, put like this so that it can make like the food like more food, right?
I think what's amazing about living in the jungle is you get to be creative with food, right?
Yeah.
There's no rules, you know.
Yeah.
You have to make whatever you have, right?
Yeah.
And then
So
yeah,
yeah.
that's really good. It's amazing. I grew up in the jungle too, so like that for us, the same too, right? Whatever we have, we put together.
yeah. Because before they don't have anything, they just like put it together because have only salt, you know. You don't have like you know, Maggi or something, anything, you know, salt and water. So they just mix together whatever they have, right? So that it gonna have more food for everyone, right? So they can eat.
See, we use everything, right? No waste. You don't waste food.
Don't waste food. Before they don't like throw away like in the garbage like that. They eat every like thing in the pot like that. Because even rice, right, is not enough for them. They don't have enough for everyone. And rice also,
Yeah.
not a lot for them. So
That's
they
right.
have to very save it.
Yes.
Because they have to eat every day, right? Wow, how is taste?
Better? Amazing.
Amazing!
Okay, let me try.
Okay, let's try
The
it
other
try.
taste.
Good, right?
How it taste?
Yep.
Wow, this is extraordinary. This
It's
is
good.
next level, in English, next level porridge.
I love it.
You know?
แต่พ่อ
very
พ่อ
good.
นะคะ
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Ice your chef, Thailand.
ใช่ค่ะ
Let's do it.
เพื่อนๆค่ะ ตอนนี้เราก็ทำเป็นเสร็จเป็นที่เรียบร้อยแล้วนะคะ นี่นางทำได้แล้วนะคะ now you can cook right
Yes.
นี่เราจะได้กินตามพ่อๆแล้วหลังจากที่แบบว่าไม่ได้กินมาหลายอาทิตย์หลายเดือนแล้วนะคะ ก็ตื่นเต้นนะคะ ก็โอเค เรามากินกันเลยนะคะ เดี๋ยวเราจะรอเพื่อนๆมากินกันด้วยนะคะ มาดูกัน Questa seguirà il lato di sopra che sta con te kita ba. So che qua le fiamme por lu ke. Amen.
Super
Can-
good.
Oh, try first.
Amazing.
You already taste it?
Yeah.
Not yet, try first.
Okay.
From your heart. You don't have to like, you know. You can say the truth. Good or not?
I think it's good.
Good?
Good.
Good. Okay. How about you, David?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? Oh, amazing.
How much though, David?
Everyone like it, right? I don't like it.
Better than okay, so it's good.
Do you like I cook it for?
อ๋อดูจากท่าทางก็ไม่น่าจะ
Yeah.
ตอนนี้นะคะ โอเคค่ะเพื่อนๆค่ะการทำตะพอพ่อนะคะ อาหารกะเหรี่ยงนะคะ ของเพื่อนก็จะประมาณนี้นะคะกับเพื่อนๆนะคะ โอเคค่ะไว้เจอกันคลิปหน้านะคะ